Yesterday we were talking about how we extract the data and loading into Power BI. So once the data is ready, then we'll go for the visualization part and development activities, right? So today we'll start like a filtration here. Okay. So what is filters here? So I'm taking a new tab, a new page. Here I'm taking bar chart. So from the financial table I am taking sales and country. Okay. Now my requirement is I don't want except few countries here. I don't want United States of America and Canada sales. I don't want. In this I want only 3 countries sales. Okay. So what we'll do in that case? Okay. So here when I select on this chart, so view. So when I select on this chart, here filters, in the filter on this visual is enabled. Okay. If you click on out of the chart, you can see only filter on this page, filter on all pages is appearing. Okay. Just like what I'm trying to explain in terms of, until unless you are not selecting any of the chart like this, filter on this visual, it won't appear. I mean it won't enable. If you select out of that chart, so only filter on this page, filter on all pages, these two options are coming. Okay. So what is my like expectation here is, there is some sales here for this chart: United States of America, Canada, France, Germany, Mexico. I want only France, Germany, Mexico sales. I don't want these two. Okay. So I am going to apply filter on this visual. Okay. So in that case, what you have to do, you have to drag this column, the country column, into here. Okay. Add field here. So filter on visuals, right? Now here you can see, for this visualization, we are using sales and country. So that sales country, it's coming here, and on top of this visualization I am applying the filters like I want only France, Germany, Mexico. So I don't want Canada, United States of America. Okay. So that is my requirement. So once you apply, you can see here Mexico. So this is nothing but a filter on visualization. Okay, this is nothing but a filter on your visualization. So in an interview they will ask you guys what type of filters we have Power BI. Okay, one is a visualization on this page. With example you have to be explain. Okay, with example. So without this question there is no interview. Okay, it's a gunshot question it is. So visualization filter this. So if you click on this visual, you can see here filter on visual. So if you want to apply any filter on your visualization, then we will go for the visualization filter. For example, there is a country column. I want to show only for few countries data in the presentation chart, so that time I'll go for the visualization filter. Okay. So next is filter on this page. For example, this page, I am in page 1. Okay, on this page I am telling. So you can understand the terms here. It's it's very simple case. Okay, filter on this page. So it's mean filter only on this page. Okay, so I'm applying here segment. So I'm applying segment. Okay, this is my segment. I'm going to increase the size of this. Okay, generally. Okay, so this segment is there. I want to apply filter only on this page by this segment. Okay, so in that case what I will do, this segment is there, I am dropping this segment here, filter on this page. So I'll select few segments. Okay, that's it. See, so when I apply filters here, automatically it's reducing. Okay, the rest of mid market, small business gone. Okay, now I applied on segment filter for this page. Okay, so now only for this page I am saying the filter. Okay, so if I click on, so I can utilize this filter only on this page. Okay, only on this page. So I just drop the segment column, this segment column on filter on this page, so that the filters has been applied. Okay, now again I will take one chart. I'm taking one chart here. Sales, I'm selecting sales and segment. Okay, you can see only government, channel, product. So I applied filter, right? Just forget about this. Okay, just forget about this. So I applied filter right on this page, on what, on segment. Okay, so 3 segments only coming, but generally the segments are some segments are there. See, some segments are there here. So that is a channel partner, enterprise, government, mid market, small business. And out of this 5 I am selecting only 3: channel partner, enterprise, government. Okay, out of this mid market, small business I don't want. So when I applied the chart, automatically for this page the segment is coming only with 3 segments. Okay, so that is a page level filter. Okay, for this page level filter, for example, the same like for this page only there is some other filters also I want. Okay, that is product I'll take. Okay, the product. So again one more filter here. So meanwhile, so one more chart will take. So that chart can be, okay, I'll take table format chart. Sales, product I am showing. Okay, sales and product. Now I try to increase the size of this chart. Values. Okay, so this is a tabular format chart. Now I said filters on this page I am saying. Okay, filters on this page. So there is one more filter, product. So I want only here umbrella VTT only. I want umbrella VTT on this page. That is only the products I want to see in this page. Okay, so what I do, I'll bring this product. Okay, just drop here. Okay, filter on this page. So here the product list is coming. So what I do, I'll select umbrella VTT. Only these 2 products I want. Okay, no, it's showing. Okay, so this is called page level filters. Okay, only only for this page the filters are working. Now how many filters I applied for this page? Product and a segment and a country, right? 3. So for particular visualization I applied visualization filter. So for this page I applied country, segment and a product filter. Now I am going to third page. Okay, okay, I'll copy the same charts, guys. Okay, I'll copy same charts, this chart and this chart. You see, I'm just copying these two charts. When I paste it here, see that filter is not applicable here. I applied page level filters for this both charts, for only the page for this. When I take these two charts for another page, the filters is not coming, because that that is called page level filter. Only for that page that filter works. Okay. Now hope you understand the variation. Any doubts here, all of you? Okay, now all page filters. All page filters in the sense, I am taking here as a filter. Sorry, here. See, so this is a slicer, guys. Okay, this slicer we have to use as a filter. Okay, this slicer. Okay, so here in the corner you get the option in which format, like which view you want. Okay, I want as a list. Okay, if you want to increase the size of the values or header, the year, this for all is a common place is this format your visual. Okay, just click on this. So values are there, right? The values you can increase here, so it will increase. Now filter on all pages. Okay, for wherever I go I want to be filtered the common filtration on this year. Okay. Now the year I'll take, I will drop in this filter on all pages. Okay, so I just drop in all filter on all pages, the year column. Okay, the year column. So now you just see, when I click on 2013, according to 2013 the data is changing. If you go on next page, just drop this year on the screen, select as a slicer list. So what I said, that has to work as a common filter for all pages. Okay, common filter for all pages. I selected 2013 filter on all pages. Just a moment. So I'm selecting here. You can see I took here filter on all pages in this page. In first page I took, in second page also it's coming. Okay, filter on all pages, because in terms of words itself you can understand filter on all pages means whatever filter you will apply on filter on all pages option, that filter is a common for rest of pages also. Okay, I am selecting 2014 here. If you see what is the value here. Okay, fine. See here we are filtering. Here we are filtering and particular pages filters, right? So it's not applicable. So I'll take any of the other chart. So I'll take bar chart, sales, year I will take. Okay. Now 2 years data is there here. Okay, I'll take in a table. Increase the format of the chart. Values. So this table format also nothing but a chart, guys. Okay. Column header increase. Now this format, like if you want to do like increase on these values, the headers, so you have to select on this in the format. The values are option is there in the format, the values. Just click on this. You can see the font, that what type of font you want, the style, and you have to increase the size of this. Okay. And if you want to increase the header is here. So here you can the values, the slicer header. Okay, increase this. Okay, here. Now see guys, so this is my slicer. This slicer nothing but a filter. So I have applied here on filters on all pages, that is a year, is nothing but this. When I select here 2004, I'm not selecting right now anything here, you just think 2013 2014 data it is. Okay, you can see in page 4 this here. Okay, see guys, one more thing, if any number comes, okay, the year is nothing but a number, but it has to work as a date. Okay, but sometimes the Power BI converts is a numeric, it will find out like it's a number, for we can use some count something like, so it's coming like this. Okay, just select this. Okay, here see summarization is there, right? Select this. If you don't want to do any aggregated value, the number, you have to select that column, because here we have to use as a filter, right? 2013 2014 2015 sales I want to see. I don't want to be do sum on year, right? The year I can't use as a aggregated value. So what you have to do, select that column. Here summarization is there, right? Don't sorry, select this year. Oh, it's not coming. Okay, just click, right click on this. So there is a things, select modeling, format is general, so you have to make it unsummarize, it should not be like numerical. So why is not conversion? Okay, so this is a format, actually the year is okay, so it has to be in year format. It should not be as a numeric, like it's not, it should not be a number. Okay, that is my case here. So now I converted this year as in a date format, because it was before in a number format where I can do some calculations and all. Now I am taking from the visualization this table and I am selecting this date. Okay, so and hierarchy is coming, so just break down this hierarchy. Like I don't want the year. And one more thing is, in Power BI, whenever you get the data as a date field, like whenever you get data in a date field like this, the Power BI automatically it will convert into hierarchy in the sense the month, the quarter, the week, the day, like that. Okay, you can see here. So if you click on this, see year. Okay, 2 years data we have. For the 2 years data, quarters it will bring, month it will bring, date will bring. I don't want like this. It is very important option, guys. If you are not able to break the hierarchy for the date column, you have to go file, options and settings. It's very important. Options, it's loading. Users data is there, right? Click on users data. Security. Users data, yeah. So here data load, in the options data load, you have to click on this time intelligence is there, right? Just click on this time intelligence, say okay. So the agenda here is you have to break this hierarchy, else it will come in, you can see it will come like the first year quarter, second year quarter, so many things will come here. Okay, now I will increase the size of the year values. So it's coming wrong, you have to select this format. Else that also, one more thing also you can do. Okay, there are so many possibilities to cleansing your data. Okay, so you have to go data view. We already discussed what data view do. So the data what I loaded in Power BI, it's coming to the picture here. That is, now I am working with a financial table. So if you are facing any issues in the front end on data wise or anything else, so what you have to do here is, so this is the column. I want from this column, I want only the years from this column. Okay, in that case what I will do, I am going to add one more new column here as a year. Okay, just click on new column. So I am adding one column here. So here one column came. For this column I am going to give year new. Okay, just column name, year new I am giving. Now from this date I want to fetch only year. Okay, from this date I want to fetch only the year. So the function here is year of, what is the column name, date. So date in Power BI guys, this is the first function I'm writing in Power BI. The Power BI mechanism, it will come with a reference table and with a column name. Okay, so here you can see when you given the date, because my column is a date here, from this date column I am trying to pull only years. Okay, so in that case, when I am passing the function called year of, I am writing the function year of, I know the column is a date, the column name is a date, I am providing the column name. So in that case is showing financial. So this column coming from the financial table. Yes, this is what I am looking for. Just close it, click on this tick mark. Okay, so you can understand I am looking from this date column year of, from this date. So financial is nothing but a table. From this table this column is coming. Just click on this tick mark. See, the year new column fetched as a year. Now go to the front end like a report. Okay, here I was taking this one, right? I don't want now this, so I'll take this new year. So again this is also taking as a number, so I have to do, because that numbers automatically the Power BI will take. It's like, you know, so until unless, see, this is real-time scenarios issues guys. We'll face such issues in real time also, so we have to be very careful. Again here hierarchy is creating. Cool. So go to the file, option and settings, options, data load, remove this time intelligence, click on OK. Just try to save this file. So the main why I am changing in that option means you have to be break down this hierarchy, so I am trying. Okay, summarize data criteria. Okay, the year column is taking wrong. Okay, fine, we'll see that. Okay, now my requirement is I want to be apply filters on this page, that has to be work. Okay, see here also the data changed in this page. I am changing some format issues, right? So here also the data is changed. Now just keep it away this for now. Okay, so we are talking about the year as a filter. I am removing this year as a page, all for all pages filter. So I will take for now the product segment. Okay, I will take the segment, common segment for all the pages. So I am taking this segment as a filter. Okay, so you have to select when you bring it on here in the canvas, you have to check in which visualization it is in. Now this visualization is this tabular format. I want is in a slicer. Just click on this slicer, increase this size of this slicer, go to the format, in this values increase the size of your slicer. Okay, this is my slicer. Now the same slicer I will take for the next page. The same slicer I will take, just delete, select and delete. Okay, the visualization I am taking here is one of the visualization. I will take this sales and segment. Okay, this is my slicer. Okay, now the same way, if you want to do like any format increase or decrease, you have to select this visualization, you have to go to the format, slicer, values, legends. Okay, legends in the sense this one. Okay, so click the text, increase. Okay, this is like this. Now here also segment I will take as a slicer. Segment, where is segment? I am dropping on canvas. See the increase. So by default it's taking this. I am taking in slicer. Okay, it's came. So I am going to increase the format of this slicer. So here the values increase. Okay, so this is comes on your practice only, guys. Okay, now so here I am taking filter on all pages. In this option I am taking segment. Okay, segment I am dropping here. Okay, I am dropping here. Now when I apply filter on this page, according to that the second page also will get changed. I mean the same filter will applicable. So I am selecting here channel partners. See, it's changed, it got selected channel partners. If you go to the page 4, basic filtration, so selected channel partners. No, select only. What's unselecting? Okay, let's unselect it. Channel partners. Something going wrong, guys, here. Okay, try to apply few filters here. Okay, go to this page. Okay, see, actually here no need to select. Okay, here no need to select. Whatever filters you will apply here, that same filters also it will be applicable here. Okay, that's how all pages filters will apply, but these options are not working because the trial version some limitations also. Okay, so in page all page filters, filter on all pages, I am taking segment. I am selecting few of segment. The segments also applicable for other pages also. So that is how all pages filters works. In interview they will ask, so what type of filters we have in Power BI, what is the difference? Like we have one is visualization filter, one is a page level filter, another one is all page level filters. So visualization filter in the sense I explained you, it works only for on visualization, on particular visualization. You can apply individually either on this visualization or in this visualization. So in that case you will go for the visualization filter. If you want to show any particular products for the visualization, you will go for the visualization filter. So page level filters, if you want to filter out only for that page, it should not be impact on other pages. In that case we will go for the page level filter. Filters on all pages, whatever filter, the common filters for all pages, guys. So whatever data you are filtering in any of the page, that same data has to be filtered out in other pages also. In that scenario, this is a thing, segment. So if I select any of the segment here, see, for that segment it works. Okay, that is like common filters, guys. The segment is a common filters for all pages. So for example, a country also will take, we'll see. Okay, how many filters you want, that will just drag and drop in this add filter option base. Okay, they will just drag and drop in this here in this add data field. Here is the rate, how many filters you want for that page, you can just drag and drop, it works. So this is how all page filters works. Now one more thing need to be discussed here. So whenever you work with visualization, you have to be track like what information I'm getting from these visuals. Like there are here 36 visuals are there, so which visual have to be take for my business. If you want like any of like a comparison purpose, like a sales versus profit, then in that case I'll go for the stacker bar chart. Okay, just select this, the same format, like I'm selecting this stacker bar chart, I'm selecting the country, sales and profit. Okay, that is my scenario here. Now guys, I will explain you one chart, the same functionality is applicable for other charts. Okay, now I selected this chart, the chart is this, now I want to do some changes like a formatting, some increasing decreasing values, the kind of format. Okay, so when you select any of the chart on the canvas, if you want to do some formation here, so you have to go this format your visual. Okay, this is a common guys. Okay, just click. Now this format applicable for this visualization. Okay, like the same way for other visualizations also, whatever visualization will take, you can do format from this, that format comes for the applicable chart. So this is a chart in my selection, so for this chart this format comes in picture. Okay, now you can see here the y-axis, is this. Okay, the vertical one is there, that is a y-axis. So you can see in y-axis, so font, so I am in y-axis, so I want to increase the font of this country names are there, right? So it's a 8, I'll make it some changes. Okay, I'm increasing. Now I want to make it as a bold, you can make it bold. The font color, which font color you want, that you can select. Next, the position also you can left or right or something. Okay, like this. So whatever you want, like according to your requirement or user needs, you have to do that. Okay, now I'm going to x-axis this. Okay, so minimum maximum is there, right? So minimum I am giving 1, maximum I am giving 10. Okay, so this is, it's kind of target and achieved, something like you are fixing the target, like my sales should be 100 rupees. Okay, it should be reached as per my target, it should be 200 rupees, this kind of range. Okay, so here no need to touch this because it's a completely depends on requirements. So scalar type here. Okay, a linear something, so the option is linear. Values are there, in that values the size of this. Okay, this an x-axis. Okay, so I'll make it bold. Display units auto. Okay, so by default auto, so I'll make it in a thousands. Okay, in x-axis I don't want in millions, I'll make it in a thousands. So in that case I'll go for the thousands. So many things you can do, guys. Okay, the title. So what is the title here? So I want to give the title here. Okay, so it is in off, make it on. So I'll give show unit only. See, so that you just increase the size of text. The title is showing in thousands, right? That one. So legend, guys, legends in the sense you taken the country, right? The countries you taken, the legend should be on top, where in which position you want. So I want it in uh, right side. Okay, see this one. So the legends are sales versus profit, right? So that one, else you will make it in top center. See it's placed in wherever you want. Okay, so the text, you can increase the size of that legend is nothing but sales and profit. So whatever measures you are taking, measures nothing but a sum, count, max, min, this all the measures, guys. Okay, for the numeric, with numeric value you are presenting, right? So it's nothing but a measure. So that is in case. So we'll make it in bold, make it bold. Next, the title. So you can give title sales versus profit. Okay, you can see here I'm giving the name of sales versus profit. Okay, next, if any of like a few options are hiding, so you can't do that. Okay, so here style, vertical, the solid, the style of this. Okay, the small changes you can do, guys. Okay, now, so bars, so these are the bars. So in which color you want? Okay, the first, the sales bar and profit bar. I want sales bar in this color, and profit bar I am looking this color. Okay, data labels, so it is an on, off, make it on. So data labels in a sense, sales versus profit is there, right? See, okay, so the values are bars, so that's presenting. Okay, that is one thing. Many things you have to do, guys. Total labels, okay, make it on. Okay, you see the option how it works, you will try, you will understand the scenario. Okay, where is called values, see these values. Okay, so once you start the working on Power BI, you will understand so many things. Okay, plot area, background, you have to change here and see what changes happening according to my changes in the format. Okay, so that's how. Now so far I was in visuals, now I'll go for the general tab for the same visual. Okay, the properties you can see. So where this visual placed in. Okay, see, just look here, this 426 530 is it. If I move, nothing happening. So when I do this, you see the value is changing here, like the size of this chart, the visual. Okay, that is nothing but a size. the position, in which position it is in, like in the canvas, in this canvas, in which position it is in. Okay, so you want to just a moment guys. So here you can see when you move from here to here, the changes happening. So this is how, see, so the place where you place this visual, that's is showing the position of that visual. So that is one thing. So in advanced option, so if you do some on and off, so response, you may maintain order layer. Okay, this all you have to be do practice. You just check how, what changes happening after I am applying changes here. Okay, so which is important that I am trying to explain here. Okay, so the title that we already given. Okay, sales versus profit, effects, the background of. Okay, so in this background, so the background is this white. Okay, which color you want? So I want like this, the transparent. Transparency in the sense, if you place it any of the chart behind this, it looks like a, you know, transparency. Okay, so all this, so this many, like for every chart guys, for every chart you will get options like how you want to be format this chart as you want. Okay, so the same way, if you take pie chart, if you take pie chart, the same format it's applicable here. Okay, so for I'm selecting pie chart, you should be familiar with the option guys. Okay, you have to select. Now nothing is coming here because you not selected any value for this pie chart. Values in the sense, no measure and dimension you provided for this pie chart, so it's not coming anything here. You can see. Now what I do, I am selecting this, I will select sales segment. Okay, now you see here the options are coming. Is it clear guys? The same way for every chart you can do whatever format you want, you can do under this format tab. Okay, in Power BI it's very easy guys, like you can select the columns and filters here, and you can do here and there itself formats. Okay, no need to go there and there here. Okay, it's very simple. So you'll select any of the visualization here, you will take the format of visualization for the selected visualization. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, so in to coming sessions we'll discuss rest of the charts, so which is important, like I just trying to explain how you do format of visualization, like how you will change the numbers, values, and increase the values, decrease the values, kind of. So the filtration, how it works, that topic I covered. So on visualization, for all visualization, all charts here the same format style guys. Okay, so to how I showed that flow, the same. Okay, how you want that you can do. So there are some charts are there that we will discuss in coming sessions. Okay, is there any doubts guys? All of you can ask. Okay, I'm closing session for the day. Thank you.